Today I'm going to give you a glimpse of my office, which I decorated over the past 2 years since we've been here. I decided that I wanted a floral, kind of a tropical theme, so I got the tropical carpeting to be kind of the basis for it. And over here, as I enter on the side, is kind of a bamboo ladder type of bookshelf with some plants. I have this blue couch. Originally, I was working during COVID late at night and early in the morning with some clients in Asia, so I had to have another place to sleep, not wake my husband at 4 in the morning. So this is a little pull-out couch, which is actually quite comfortable, with the pillows that bring in the tropical theme, my little bamboo kind of table here with my Kindle, coffee, and glasses, and I sit here and read when I'm tired of being in my chair. And here we've got the pictures that I have that I made, and these pictures are my new digital art. As you can see, there are 4 different seasons, and I just adore them. So I'll be making some more of these. And they're a photo I took, turned into digital art, and then painted them on canvas. As you can see, it makes quite a lovely, kind of adding in the tropical area. Then as I come in here, I've got some pillows on the ground that my dog, my poor Pantufla, passed away after 17 years earlier this year, and she used to lie here with me. And my IKEA tree brings in the plant idea and the beautiful flowers. My husband painted this gorgeous blue wall here, and as you can see, I have an amazing view looking out here at both our pool and our what we call our secret garden down there, olive trees. You can't see now, but there's mountains in the background, but it's very kind of rainy today. And over here I have another IKEA tree and a little paraphernalia for the office, little light and a ring light. Then I've got my desk here kind of in the middle, and I do actually move it from side to side, and the couch on the other side as the seasons turn because the light comes in the window. And over here, as I go forward, is my other great triumph I feel very excited about. I bought an old fan at the Croquant near in our town, and I painted the blue, it was brown before, and the gold, and repainted the whole screen. So it looks amazing. Then my husband helped me hang it. Another IKEA tree here, and here's a vision board that I made from some photographs when we originally bought this house and moved in. As you can see, it's got lots of things here about what we want to do in life, the picture of our house, and living the great life. So really, it makes me feel inspired. And then over here on the bookshelf, I have a couple family photos, some old one. My husband and I were quite young when we first met. Don't you love the hair there? And my daughter, and another one, and a couple books. And down here's some folders of all the places that we're traveling. And then back here is kind of a closet as you go through. So dual for that. So as you can see, this is great. Oh, my last thing is I bought this great brass light up here, which I just love. So I hope you've enjoyed my office space, my tropical office, and love to hear from you.